Hi guys, my name is AJ and I am from ClearTax. Today I am here to talk about HSN and SAC Code under GST, and we'll see how to use ClearTax HSN Code Finder. HSN Code, that is Harmonized System of Nomenclature, is a 6-digit globally accepted uniform code that classifies 5000 plus products. Similarly, services are also classified uniformly and are called as Service Accounting Codes or SAC. The HSN and SAC code must be declared in every tax invoice issued by taxpayer under GST. HSN code makes GST more systematic and globally accepted. HSN code removes the need of uploading detailed description of goods, saving time and making filing easier as GST returns are automated. Find out HSN or SAC code by entering a good or service name in the search bar of ClearTax HSN Code Finder and clicking on the search button. This tool also gets the list of goods or services classified under a specific HSN or SAC code. Thank you for watching the video.